Contains loud noises, donkeys, and some special effects that may be too intense for some viewers. That means they point you to plead the field, and to the doors they want to ask for the to assist you. We have stereo flash copy or bright lights during our show. Now that half the noise and bones bugs you present, it's ItsToughToBeABug.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick!
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! Over here. Way over here. Way over here. A little more. Little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Go ahead. Put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Not that. Off to the... Yes, thank you. Oh. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate you do that. I really don't. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where?
No.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is my favorite.
Oh! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming. Chili's on a roll.
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull? Watch it!
You're messing up my ant. Hold still.
Bug off! I guess you hadn't noticed, all right?
Immerse! Idiot! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the Terminator. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody all right out there? Oh, I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh, my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let him rip, Claire.
No way! You'll never catch me!
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Flick. What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
What? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well, then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stinger and attack! I'm going into the game! You are over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sneaky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Flick, what do we do now? Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, let's do something waiting, huh?
Cue the finale!
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we made your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables, flowers, you tasty was bugs for our mother's hours.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
And if all bugs were like the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to panic. The plastic of us, you can't live without it. Still it's up to be
Huh. It's a piece of cake.
And it's moldy!
Oh, no, you don't. That's me.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you grab all your belongings with you. And if you want to show inside online, once you get to the tools, head to the left-hand side, click on that stroller, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.